rankings and reviews. Mini reviews. Greetings, my fellow YouTubers. I'm Doyle, the Big D to you. This is Big D's Entertainment Rankings and Reviews. Today I'm going to be giving to you a mini reviews vid with, mini reviews of recent films that I watched. When I was originally going to do a full spoiler-free review, but I decided since my last spoiler-free review didn't do so hot, I decided to heck with it. I decided I'm going to put two films together for mini reviews instead. Okay? Well, if you're ready, let's get started. One's kind of a horror, maybe not a horror film, but kind of a suspense thriller, and the other being a spy type film. If you're ready, let's get started. Here's the first mini review. First is Trap. Released by Warner Brothers and produced by Blinding Edge Pictures, directed by M. Night Shyamalan, who also co-produced and wrote the script. This film came out this past August, on August 2nd, 2024, and stars Josh Hartnett along with Ariel Donoghue, Alison, and even Hayley Mills, plus Shyamalan's own daughter, Saleka Night Shyamalan. Now, it follows a serial killer evading a police blockade while attending a concert with his daughter. Anyway, a firefighter named Cooper Abbott takes his teenager Riley to pop star Lady Raven's concert as a reward for her good grades, and there he notices the unusually high police presence around the concert venue. He learns from a vendor named Jamie that the FBI plans to catch a serial killer known as the Butcher, having learned he will be in attendance. So Cooper is revealed to be the Butcher himself, secretly checking footage on his phone of his latest captive victim, Spencer, in a basement. So he steals Jamie's ID card and learns the passphrase that will identify him as an employee, using the card to gain access to a back room and steals a police radio. Plus does other things. But that's all the story I will give to you, because these mini reviews are spoiler free. Now my thoughts on the film was, it was okay, just not really one of Shyamalan's best, but he manages to do his best and what have you. However, Rotten Tomatoes did think this film was another divisive work from Shyamalan, but its dark humor, tense atmosphere, and a strong central performance may just be enough for fans of his work. Yeah, I will say the atmosphere and what have you was pretty good. Taking place at a concert, really something. They have their site actually has this at 57%, saying an arc thriller given some ground by Josh Hartnett's committed performance. This film will ensnare those who appreciate its tongue-in-cheek style, while the rest will be eager to wriggle out from it. Yeah, like I said, I'm kind of mixed on this film. Like I said, I did like its atmosphere and what have you, and I'll talk about cats in a moment. Metacritic has a score of 52, while CinemaScore gave us a C plus. One of the reviews, The Guardian, said this film is a thriller that incorrectly thinks it's fiendishly smart. Maybe if it was more aware of how stupid it actually is, it might have been more fun. But a decent review, Vanity Fair said that Shyamalan has built a solid foundation as he tends to do. Clever setup, appealing lead actor, and an interesting and quite relevant cultural milieu. But fairly quickly, this film's sleek design peels away and we see the shoddy engineering he's been hiding. Too true. But anyway, the film did well, going on to make $82 million worldwide against its $30 million budget. I can't really pronounce the person who did the score, so I'm gonna say it was pretty good. Now, for our cast, we have Josh Hartnett, who, believe me, I haven't heard that name in such a long time. He does an exceptionally good job playing Cooper Abbott. Very, very good. Ariel Donoghue plays Riley, Cooper's daughter. Really good. And Alison Peel as Rachel Abbott, Cooper's wife. But to my surprise, I was not aware she was in this. Hayley Mills appears in this as Dr. Josephine Grant, an FBI profiler. I was really surprised to see her in this film. But I really got to give credit to M. Night Shyamalan's real life daughter, Saleka, for playing Lady Raven. I thought she was exceptionally amazing in her performances. So, anyway, she does a good job. So, the cast isn't too bad. I think its story's just a little bit of a mixed bag and what have you. But the atmosphere and what have you, and some of its dark humor wasn't too bad either. So, Traps, not too bad. The film is currently on available on physical media and is now streaming on Max if you want to check it out. For my score, I'm going to give Trapped 3 stars. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 6. Now to the next mini review. The next film I'm doing a mini review of is Canary Black, which was recently released last month, on October 24th, by Amazon MGM, along with Anton, plus other studios producing it. Directed by Pierre Morel, who you may know, who gave us Taken, as well as District 13 and Paris with Love. Well, from Paris with Love. My mistake. Sorry. Yeah. Anyway, now this is a new action thriller spy flick starring Kate Beckinsale as a CIA agent on the run. The agent's name is Avery Graves, and Will steals a drive from a building in Tokyo, and then she comes home to the third anniversary with her husband David. Later, she meets her boss at the CIA, Jarvis. They speak of Kenji, who was using a business facade to ship arms to terrorists, and later comes home to find it trashed and David missing. Well, a phone on the table says to get the Canary Black file by midnight and mentions a detainee number where her husband dies. And she asks for proof of life and is able to speak with her husband. Well, from what I've seen of this one, I am going to say it was okay and what have you too, but it was kind of a little, well, not quite too thrilled. Now, even though I did think Taken was a good film, but this one kind of didn't quite come close. Anyway, this film's getting dissed like crazy. It sits at a mere 20% on Rotten Tomatoes. Yeah. Anyway, now it's hard to say from Rotten Tomatoes though for their own review. So I can't really complain of where how they would say about this, but I am gonna say it's an okay, fun-filled thrill ride and what have you. But it was just kind of got a little bit of a I'm kind of mixed on that though. But it did have a pretty decent story, and Jessica Rose Weisz does the score, which was pretty good. Now we have Kate Beckinsale in the role of Avery Graves, and I thought she did an exceptionally good job. Playing David is Rupert Friend, and Ray Stevenson plays Jarvis. So, anyway, and we have Saffron Burrows, another name I haven't heard in years, as the character of Elizabeth Mills. Wow, this is incredible. Anyway, I wanted to say that while it does have some pretty good action and suspense and what have you, this just didn't quite come close to my expectations though for. But of the whole, I found Canary Black to be a bit of a set of good action, Wybie, but it does have a few issues though with with the way story goes in Wybie. But still, I like the film a bit because of Kate Beckinsale, who's exceptionally really good. And Pierre Morel does a good job with his direction, just like he did with Taken. So overall, Canary Black's a nice little spy action flick. I mean, you may want to check that out. The film's available to stream on Prime Video. So for my score, I'm also giving Canary Black 3 stars. But on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving it a 6.5. So there you have it. There are my 2 mini reviews. Have you seen Trap or Canary Black? Or maybe both of them. If so, let me know in the comments section below. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe, and be a part of the Big D Nation. Continue to help support my channel, make it grow, and make the views grow. Tell all your friends about my channel, give them to know me. Maybe they'd like to be a part of the Big D Nation. Share my vids with your friends if you wish. Your choice. Join me next time when I bring to you a review of Mikey. So if you like this, consider checking out some of these other films, my reviews for some of these other films. In the upper left-hand corner is my review of Taken. The upper right-hand corner is another mini reviews vid, which features a mini review on M. Night Shyamalan's other daughter's film, The Watchers, along with another film. Or if you would like more Kate Beckinsale, check out my review of Underworld in the bottom left hand corner. And the bottom right hand corner is the button you can click to subscribe. If you like rankings and reviews on movies, TV, music, video games, etc., then I'm your guy. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm the Big D saying, see ya.